The Working Journalists, Fixation of Rates of Wages, Act 1958, is a crucial Indian legislation that establishes fair wage rates for working journalists in newspaper establishments. It was enacted after the Supreme Court invalidated a wage board decision under the 1955 Working Journalists Act. The 1958 Act provides a legally sound mechanism for determining journalist pay. The Act's core provision empowered the central government to constitute a specialized committee. This committee's critical task was conducting inquiries and recommending appropriate wage rates for working journalists across India. The Act mandated the committee consider vital factors: the prevailing cost of living, wage rates for comparable work in other sectors, the newspaper industry's financial capacity to pay, and specific economic circumstances of the industry in different regions. To facilitate its investigation, the committee received substantial powers, similar to a civil court. These included summoning individuals, compelling document production, receiving evidence on affidavits, and issuing commissions for examining witnesses or documents. After the committee submitted its recommendations, the central government was authorized to issue an order, published in the official gazette, fixing or revising wage rates based on these recommendations, possibly with modifications. A crucial aspect was that wage rates fixed by this government order became legally binding on all newspaper employers. Establishments were obligated to pay their working journalists the specified wages. The 1958 Act addressed wage fixation, establishing a structured, legally binding process for determining fair compensation for journalists. It reinforced the principles of earlier 1955 legislation regarding their employment conditions and financial security. This ensured that journalists received wages decided through a thoughtful, government-approved evaluation.